Hi, and thank you for watching another one of my videos. Today we are going to remove and clean the door latch on a C6 Corvette. As you saw when I pulled my door handle, it kind of stuck. My door didn't want to open. And this is usually due to the little door switch inside the handle there having a dirty contact. Now, before we even start pulling our car apart, let me just tell you that this door latch, this little switch, is $15 at your freaking Chevrolet dealership. If you're going to waste a half hour to an hour cleaning this, you should just think about what your time's worth. Go down and buy a new one. It's a lot easier and it'll work every time. So once we've got the door latch out of the car, we're going to remove the 5 screws that hold the little rubber pad together to the switch. And again, these screws are very small. This is a tedious job. Um, Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. For $15 or less, your friendly local Chevrolet dealership will be glad to sell you 2 new ones, and your doors will work great for another 5 or 6 years. So just remember while you're taking this apart and cursing yourself that there's an easier way out that's only going to cost you $15 and maybe a few minutes to drive to the dealership and pick it up. So now that we have the rubber part of the door latch off, we're just going to wipe this little frame down and clean it up a little bit. And now we'll separate the switch mechanism itself. So you see the little rubber piece comes off, and you have the metal switch on the piece that I just laid down, and all your wiring on the other piece. So what we'll do is we'll take a little liquid wrench or WD-40, whatever you prefer, and some 4/0 steel wool. We'll just wipe it clean, just get a lot of that debris out of there. And once we've scrubbed it up well, then we'll just take a paper towel and wipe it dry. So we're wiping it dry now with our paper towel, and it looked clean and fresh again. Now this is our switch. We're going to hit it with liquid wrench or WD-40, your choice. And again, we're going to take some steel wool and we're just going to wipe it clean, and then we'll take a paper towel and dry it out. So now all your connectors are nice, clean, crisp, and ready to be put back together. So it just snaps back together, and the little frame drops into place, and flip it over, and now we're going to put our screws back in. Again, let me stress, 15 bucks, and all you have to do is snap the new one in place. So we just clip the switch back into the door, and now we're putting our door handle back on. We're going to line up our holes, and then we're going to put our Phillips screw back into the door, So our door handle's now attached to the door again, and get those screws tightened down, and then let's give it a test. So there's my door latch working properly again. Thanks for watching my video. Remember, $15, you can have a brand new one.